Hi, this is Drew with the Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets all finished up higher yesterday, and we're higher yet again this morning. We didn't finish on our highs yesterday, and as a matter of fact, we finished well off of them. We saw some real high activity yesterday in the overnight session, but didn't finish on the highs. The tight cash soybean meal market is one of the things that continues to spur the markets higher, though. Even though we didn't finish on the highs, we were still higher on the day, and we're higher yet again this morning. Just having trouble in places getting cash soybean meal. They booked it on rails, but rail cars have been shipping more crude oil than grain lately, or soybean meal, and therefore they're having trouble getting their product. So people are having to resort to buying more via truckload. So they're basically double booking what they need because they're not able to get it on rail cars. So they're buying truckloads of it and get it shipped down that way. So until that situation's resolved, the more supply gets into the soybean meal market, especially in the eastern Midwest and down in the south, we could see the market trade higher when that issue will be fixed. I'm not sure. As harvest progress goes along, obviously there'll be more soybeans that are available to be crushed into meal, oil, what have you, and fill that void. So once that's done, I imagine that we will go back to trading strictly the fundamentals of the large grain and oilseed crop that's out there right now that's being harvested, because it is big. We're expected to see some yield and production increases in the WASDE report upcoming in November. Most everybody is expecting that, whether they're traders, farmers, analysts, what have you. Everyone's looking for a yield increase. As the old saying goes, big crops get bigger and small crops get smaller. Well, this is a big crop, so expect an increase in that when we get the next WASDE report. So other than that, not really much has changed at all as far as the markets. Harvest should continue to roll along with mostly dry and decent weather up until through mid next week, I believe. So going on at a pretty good pace right now without much impeding it. So a lot of folks will probably be wrapping up harvest this weekend. So we'll have to see what we get as far as the numbers go in the crop progress report on Monday, but expect that some good progress will be made. So that's all we've got for today. If you've got any questions at all, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services, broker, who provides research market commentary and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.